Kabayan, malapit na bang ma-expire ang grace period ng validity ng residence visa cancellation mo or ng tourist visa mo?
Good news! Meron kaming affordable rate for A2A and B2B exit visa change para sa inyo. We have 60 days A2A visa change for only 1,450. Meron na yung 60 days tourist visa and round-trip ticket.
And for only 999 dirham lang, maaari ka nang makapag-exit by bus. Ang kasama sa mga inclusion, 2-way bus ticket, 10 days Oman visa, 1 night free accommodation, and 60 days tourist visa.
At kung ikaw naman ay naka-tourist visa, meron din kaming B2B exit, 60 days without deposit for only 1,440 dirhams lang. Simple lang ang requirements: passport copy, visa copy, and photo with white background.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Huwag mong hayaang mag-overstay ka dito sa UAE. Contact us now sa aming mga WhatsApp number.
Visit our office. We are located at office number 7, Sky Signature, first floor, Riga Business Center. Same building lamang po kami ng Ibis Hotel dito sa Al Riga, Dubai.